door seal protector. We're gonna do our durability test here. It's plastic. What do you think is gonna happen? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone and welcome to the church channel. My name is Kalechi and today we're going to be going over the review and installation of the door seal protector. We're going to go ahead and do an unboxing for this. This should help protect your paint. So let's open this bad boy up. If you want this item, you can get it on churchchannel.com. We are offering discounts to our YouTube subscribers. So go ahead and follow the instructions on the website and we'll send you a code to be able to use that code on our website to get discounts on all the items on the website. All right, so let's open up this bad boy. They actually sell this type of tape. You can get it at your local store as well. You just pull that off, okay? I'll leave that way for now. All right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install it and then review it. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do our infamous durability test. So right there, we have a 100-million-year-old rock. That right there is a massive shrimp that used to live, I'm just kidding. That's an ammonite, the shape of a ammonite cast. That lived 100 million years old in the late Cretaceous, but around this time is when the dinosaurs lived. So a velociraptor actually possibly walked on this piece of rock. Maybe even a T-Rex, because we know they were alive at that time. And so we're gonna do a durability test. And I know some of you are like, well, the earth is only 10,000 years old because the Bible says it is. And honestly, I believe the Bible as well, but it does tell us that 100 years is like, or 1,000 years is like a day to God. And so we can assume that to us humans, we might think that this thing is 1 million years old to us, but to God, it might seem like it's a day old, right? So, watch out, gotcha. All right, so we're gonna test it out. Are you ready? I'm ready. All right. Durability test in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Look at that. All right, so these have letters on the bottom. So that's left. And this one's right. All right, so this is how we want this to sit. We're gonna go ahead and put a piece of tape. There we go. All right, I'm gonna pull these up and get that installed. All right, this thing is pretty much on there. You're gonna need some nail action for that. I forgot to wipe it off. So I wanna make sure we get all that dust off and grime and make sure it really sticks on there. Alrighty, tape this down. Again, and you know, this tape is not anything special, right? You can get this from Costco, not Costco, Home Depot or Lowe's. You know, if it does wear off, I'm just showing that. So place that there and push it down. There we go. So I'm putting this on PPF. You can kind of see PPF stops right there. And I think stops right there. So there we go. This is the driver's side. Test it out before we stick it down. There we go. Gonna make sure it's all down. There we go. It's gonna fit like that. They have gotten this side done. Looks like stock, huh? Looks pretty nice. Alrighty, so we're gonna get the other side done and gonna be good to go. All right, to review this item, we're gonna look at 4 different categories: installation, usability or usefulness, appearance, And the last one is going to be durability. All right, so first one, installation. And we're going to do this in no particular order. So installation, pretty straightforward. You don't need to cut anything, screw anything in, no modifications to the product. So we're going to give this a 10 out of 10 for installation. For appearance, looks pretty good. We're going to give this a 10 out of 10 on appearance. Box over there. There's the other one. All right, we did test this out with our 100mm rock, and it stood the test of time. No pun intended. Yeah, durability, we're gonna give that a 10 out of 10. Looks like it's gonna last. Usually we tend to give things an 8 out of 10, but this one we're pretty certain it's gonna be fine. It's a pretty thick piece of plastic. It's not going anywhere. So that's a 10 out of 10 for durability. And then the last one is going to be usefulness or usability, and that's also going to be a 10 out of 10. This is going to protect this door seal area better than the PPF I had installed. So the PPF is installed underneath it the way I set mine up, and so this is going to be a 10 out of 10 for usability / usefulness, and that's going to give us a total score of diamond. So thank you all for watching. We haven't actually shut it, still shuts. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let us know in the comment section what you think about the door seal protector. Do you have one? How is it working out for you? How long have you had it? You think it's a pretty durable material? Let us know what you think. And if you want this item, please take a look at churchchannel.com. We're offering a discount for our YouTube subscribers.